It's been about a year since Ford Philippines introduced the Ford Ranger Raptor V6 here in our market. And if you want to make a statement, this big, bold, and beautiful pickup would be a best choice. Alright, so focus muna tayo dito sa interior ng Ranger Raptor V6. I'm quite sentimental right now because this is my first pickup truck lend out. And thank you Ford Philippines for letting us drive the Ranger Raptor V6. Alright, so here inside, I must say kasi na for any pickup truck na mabibili mo sa market, talagang yung interior size niya is sapat lang. Sapat lang in terms of legroom, in terms of the size. Kasi nga, you are going to use the pickup for commercial purposes. Mostly kasi kapag ka bumibili ng pickup, ang iniisip, pang-porma. But of course, you have to use it in your commercial business. Or kunwari kung meron kang mga ito-tow na bagay, di ba? Yun naman talaga ang ginagamit para sa pickup. Now, I like the overall feel of the interior. Meron kang mga orange accents dito that indicates na this is a Raptor. Also, you got two cup holders here, 4 drive modes because this is a 4x4 pickup truck. Also, 10-speed automatic. Ang ganda. I love it. And also, hindi rin naman tinipid when it comes to quality of the interior. Here sa mga sides ng pintuan, dito sa harapan, you got soft touch materials. It's comfortable and I like the feel of the seats. It's well supported, lumbar support, tapos hindi rin naman sumasakit yung likod ko, especially kung malayo yung biyahe. And eto pa, magugustuhan mo din yung physical buttons. There's lots of physical buttons here which are very functional for AC, for volume, 'di ba? And here sa steering wheel niya, ang dami ding buttons because you can actually change the damping, the exhaust sound, and also yung drive modes mo dito sa steering wheel, and also yung sa iyong ADAS or Advanced Driver Assistance System. And you've got 12-inch portrait na infotainment system that's capable of wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. So no need for you to bring out your cord. And meron ka ring wireless charging here. Space here to put your things. Syempre, ang ating compartment box nandito. And meron ka pang space dito kung ano man mga gamit na ilalagay mo. And syempre, bilang ang pagkakaroon ng pickup is a kind of lifestyle, you also going to love the 10-speaker sound system from Bang & Olufsen. Mungga, di ba? Alright, dito naman tayo sa may likuran. This is my driving position sa harap. And this is the rear seat space. Of course, pick up ito so you can't recline the seats sa rear. What we have here, of course, you've got dual air vents, a USB-C and a USB-A port, and a 400-watt capacity here. So like for example, kung magkakaroon ka ng power bank na malaki, I think pwede mo namang i-charge dito. 400 watts eh. Laking capacity nun ha, hindi biro yan. But alright, clearly, I stand 5'11", and rear seat space, okay naman. So far, komportable. Pero syempre, kung matangkad ka tulad ko, ang magiging issue mo lang rito is yung legroom. Well, ganoon naman talaga kapag pick up. What's very important is the driver, the passenger in front, and then yung ikakarga mo dito sa iyong bed liner. Alright? Now, when it comes to the exterior look, kung mapapansin niyo, the Ranger Raptor is very different kumpara mo sa typical Ranger that you see on the road. Like for example, the diesel variants, right? So when you see the Ranger Raptor, it looks huge. Malapad siyang tignan, but also it looks striking and commanding on the road. Well, ako nga, sa totoo lang, kapag nakakakita ako ng Ranger Raptor sa S-Lex or be it sa Calax, talagang nai-intimidate ako because I am a hatchback and sedan driver. But, I think the beauty of a pickup truck is that you have that sense of safety kasi nga malaki siyang tignan. So, ikaw bilang driver, meron ka ring emotion or feeling na you feel secured. But okay, we will discuss the safety features later. What do we have here? You have the C-shaped LED DRLs or daytime running lights, but also, ang talagang panlaban ng Raptor or ng Ranger is yung malakas niyang headlights. Sobrang lakas nito sa gabi, especially when you use the high beam. You also got fog lamps here, but also what's different for the Ranger Raptor range is yung logo. You've got the FORD lettering here. Wala yung blue oval dyan. Also, part of the feature is the 360-degree camera. That is why you see camera here sa front, you see camera doon sa ating side mirror. Now, the pickup sits on an all-terrain tire from BF Goodrich, pero meron ka ring 17-inch alloy wheels. Pero alam mo, ang napansin ko, lalo na sa mga enthusiast, nagpapalit sila ng mags. Oo. Para naman syempre, mas iba din yung look, 'di ba? And here, what you're going to love is the big side mirror. Ang laki ng side mirror niya. Well, kailangan mo naman talaga ng malaking side mirror dahil ang laki ng sasakyang ito. And also, you've got blind spot monitoring system. Here at the rear, you've got two tow hooks, left and right both. But ang pinakabentahe talaga ng Ranger Raptor V6 are the twin exhausts, no? Active valve exhaust. So, dalawa yan, and kaya mo yang palitan into 4 types. Mamaya i-explain ko sa inyo, pero ang ganda talaga ng tunog niya. Pakinggan ninyo. Talking about the engine, the truck churns out 392 horsepower and 583 Newton meters of torque from the twin-turbo 3-liter V6 EcoBoost engine. Alam niyo guys, ang pagbili ng pickup, hindi yan dahil sa gwapo or maporma, 'di ba? Or dahil malaki tignan, no? Actually, the main purpose why you buy a pickup truck is because you will use it for commercial purposes. And very important when you have a pickup is the capacity of the trunk. Kasi, like for example, kung meron kang water refilling station business or construction business, you would want a trunk space that's very spacious but at the same time rugged and merong payload capacity. So ipapakita ko sa inyo dito. Alam niyo, marami din sa mga bumibili ng pickup truck ang nag-o-overland or yung nagka-camping. That is why si Raptor V6 meron na siyang capacity dito na 400 watts. So kung magsasaksak kayo ng mga kagamitan, very helpful and very functional. The most important part is the driving impression. So tara, i-drive na natin to. At magpopot-pot ako pero hindi ko sila iilawan. Charot! The Ford Ranger Raptor V6, it's a bliss to drive. Alam nyo naman ako, di ba? Hindi naman ako mahilig sa mga malalaking sasakyan. Nagka-SUV nga ako noon dati tapos nilet go ko din. What more kung magkaroon ako ng pickup, 'di ba? There is something with the Ford Ranger Raptor V6 that makes me smile. Definitely it is the engine. The twin turbo EcoBoost V6 engine, it's so punchy. Sobra. Pero pag lumaklak ng gasolina, ibang usapan na yon. Pero ang sinasabi ko nga sa inyo, pagka bumili ka ng ganitong klaseng pickup, hindi dapat issue sa'yo ang pagpapagas. Hindi issue dapat ang gasolina sa'yo. Pag bumili ka ng V6 na sasakyan, definitely may panggas ka, may panggasolina ka. So, you don't really complain when it comes to fuel consumption. Because in the first place, bumili ka ng sasakyan na malaki ang makina, so don't complain when it comes to gas consumption. Ayan o, naririnig nyo ba yan? Ang tawag dyan, active exhaust valve. When you buy a Ranger Raptor V6, of course, you got the dual exhausts sa likod. Siyempre, kita nyo naman yun kanina sa segment natin, di ba? And you have 4 options to change that. So, pwede mong palitan ng sport, baha, quiet, and normal. Pero ako, gusto ko sport. Para rinig na rinig talaga. Now, focusing on the driving characteristics of the Raptor V6, personally, I don't have an experience driving the diesel, the diesel Raptor. So, I don't have really a direct comparison how it drives, no. Pero kung ako ang tatanungin, the Raptor V6 targets a specific market na para bang kasi syempre mas mahal din siya kumpara doon sa diesel variant. So, for me, ang market nito talaga, yung talagang pangmadiinan. For me, I must say that for a pickup truck, this is one of the comfortable ones. Di ba yung parang kahit nasa expressway ka, may mga pickup kasi na talagang natuwa ako sa ganon. Yung gumaganon. Ito hindi. Walang ganon at all. It's so comfortable because the damping system, you can also change that into 3 types. So you have the normal, you have the sport, and yung pang off-road mismo. Pero syempre, for daily use, you just use the normal mode. And then the off-road, syempre, typical off-road, di ba? This is a 4x4 pickup truck. Syempre, hindi naman natin ito matetest sa off-road, no? Wala tayong provision for that. For me, I am saying my sentiments in terms of the daily usage. Driving this on a highway right now, we are getting 7 kilometers per liter. And for city driving naman, about 5 to 6 kilometers per liter combined. Syempre, malayo ang diferensya talaga kumpara sa diesel. Pero this kind of pickup truck kasi, hindi parang this combined style but of course performance. Kaya nga may nakalagay, 'di ba? Ford performance. Now, madalas kong nakikita yung mga kumukuha ng Raptor, yung mga bumibili nito, talagang sinasetapan nila, dinadamitan nila itong auto, no? That's the thing kasi when you get cars like this, vehicles like this, you want it to have a certain personality na pag nakikita mo siya sa parking slot, masasabi mo na, akin yan, kumpara sa stock form. Though ako, may pagka-purist ako at gusto ko stock lang. Pero iba rin naman pag nagmo-modify ka, di ba? And especially when you go off-roading, you need to buy those equipment na makakapagpa-improve pa ng ride quality, ng off-road capability. Shout out nga pala dyan kay Overland Kings, diba? So kung may mga kailangan kayong dyan, kontakin nyo lang si Joel Pedro, tutulungan kayo niyang mag-set up. Now, to end our driving impression, I must say that the Ford Ranger Raptor V6 is a kind of pickup truck that really makes a statement. Parang pag eto yung minamaneho mo, talagang, yabang, diba? Well, depende kung anong yabang ang gusto mo. Good yabang or bad yabang. Siyempre, doon tayo sa good yabang, di ba? Ayaw natin ng bad yabang. Naiintindihan ko bakit some pickup drivers drive like that. It's because the size of the vehicle really contributes to the confidence of the driver kasi. Actually, tinanong ko yung tatay ko. Sabi ko, kasi meron siyang Ford Explorer. Ang sabi ko sa tatay ko, why some SUV drivers and pickup drivers drive like that? Na parang medyo, alam mo na, hindi mo matimpla. Hindi ko nilalahat. But ang sabi niya sa akin, ang explanation niya, it's because of the size of the vehicle. So, ngayon, when I drive a pickup, when I drive big cars, mas naiintindihan ko na bakit. But we share the road and lahat naman tayo gumagamit ng kalsada. So what's very important is safety. What's important when it comes to driving big cars like this is braking distance because mabigat. So kailangan kalkulado yung mga braking mo. And of course, lalo na kapag gusto mo talagang humataw at medyo malapit-lapit ka na, 'Diba? Kailangan alalay ka sa preno mo, no? But at the end of the day, it's all about the driver and not the car. Kailangan, pag meron kang ganitong kalaking sasakyan, you are responsible. Yes, maporma siya. Yes, it's got the looks. But when you have a pickup truck like this, use it purposefully para doon sa kanyang target, 'di ba? May commercial business ka, may ano ka. Hindi ka bumibili ng pickup para lang mangporma. No, hindi ganun 'yon. Hindi, bibili ako ng pickup kasi gusto ko malaki ako . Well, that's my sentiment lang naman. I mean, it still depends on the consumer or the end user. Pero syempre, kailangan kung saan ka masaya, di ba? Now, the prices of vehicles in the Philippines is not a joke. Pamahal ng pamahal ang mga sasakyan dito sa atin, at sa totoo lang, talagang kailangan din naman magkaroon tayo ng mga paraan para ma-maintain ang mga ganitong sasakyan. Definitely with the excise tax, changes in pricing, if you really want to buy a pickup like this, if you are an enthusiast, an off-road enthusiast, well, now is the time. Kung may budget ka, bakit naman hindi? At syempre, tulad nga ng sinabi ko, may certain target market ang Raptor V6 kumpara sa diesel. So, do you want the power, more performance, but also the looks? It's up to you to decide. Thank you for watching.